Welcome, today I'm showing how to switch on or off screen touches into screen recorder in your Vivo Y76 5G. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and go into shortcuts and accessibility option. Here choose as capture option, and now scroll down, and on the bottom we got screen recording block, and here first option will be display touch trajectory in screen recording. So this position like blue, it's activate this option, and if we tap one more time, this position like gray, it's turn off this option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.